So today we'll go for a few more examples on a derivative of parametric function of last type. So what is that last type? The questions are of the type that differentiate one function with respect to another function. आतापर्यंत बघितलं ते differentiate y with respect to x, differentiate u with respect to v, किंवा differentiate y with respect to t, differentiate x with respect to t, differentiate one variable with respect to another variable. That was the question. पण इथं मात्र प्रश्नामध्ये काय दिले? Differentiate one function with respect to another function. So we'll go for the example. So I'll write the question. So we'll go for the solution. Let. प्रश्न पडतो की इथं दोन व्हेरिएबल्स कुठे आहेत? एकच व्हेरिएबल आहे एक्स आणि फंक्शन रिस्पेक्ट टू फंक्शन असं आहे. मग हा पॅरामेट्रिक कसा काय? तर सगळ्यात सोपं काम काय करायचं? याला म्हणायचं u आणि याला म्हणायचं v. Let u is equal to x sin x. I'll call this as first. V is equal to tan x. I'll call this as second. And now just see u, v, and x. Now we have three variables. U is function of x, v is function of x. जसं आपण डिस्कस करताना काय केलं होतं? Y is function of x, and both y and x are functions of parameter t. Here we have, you have to differentiate u with respect to v. So u is function of v, and both u and v are functions of x. And त्या पद्धतीने तो फॉर्म्युला चेंज होणार आहे. So which are the parametric functions in parameter x. आता x पॅरामीटर आहे, थोडाच फरक या लास्ट टाइपच्या एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये. ओके, सो देन we have du by dv is equal to du by dx is divided by dv by dx. I'll call this as 3. Using 1 and 2 in 3, we get so we get du by dv is equal to dy dx of u. U is x sin x is divided by dy dx of v. V is tan x. And now here again a derivative product here. So differentiate it. Continue. So du by dv is equal to, see here, derivative product. So first term as it is into derivative of second plus second term as it is into derivative of first divided by derivative of tan x is sec square x. And so we are getting du by dv is equal to, this is x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x as it is into derivative of x is 1 is divided by sec square of x. Now you can stop the answer up to this. इथपर्यंत थांबवू शकता. जर एमसीक्यू ला असेल तर अजून वेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये थोडंसं ऍडजस्टमेंट होऊ शकेल. x into divide separately 1 upon sec square means cos square, so we'll get x into cos square into cos, this is cos cube of x plus sin x divided by sec square x. एक हा sec square x न्यूमरेटर मध्ये राहील and you will get this as sin x into cos square x या फॉर्म मध्ये, किंवा काही वेळा cos square x कॉमन ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर घेऊन उत्तर असं पण येऊ शकतं. this is cos square x is 1 upon sec square x into bracket x cos x plus sin x. These may be the correct answers for MCQ. Descriptive ला बोर्डाला जर विचारलं तर इथपर्यंत येऊन थांबला तरी sufficient आहे. That's it for this example. We'll go for the next example. Okay, so we'll go for the next example. Differentiate tan inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square with respect to sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. So let call the first function as u. U is equal to tan inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. I will call this as first. And v is equal to sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Call this as second. Okay. And now u and v are functions of x, which are parametric function in x. So these are the parametric function in x. Now, हे इन्व्हर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फॉर्म मध्ये टॅन इन्व्हर्स सेक इन्व्हर्स आणि आत काहीतरी एक्स मधल्या टर्म्स आहेत, त्यामुळे आयदर फर्स्ट टाईप किंवा थर्ड टाईप इन्व्हर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक मधल्या त्या टाईप मध्ये तो जातो. आता फर्स्ट टाईप मध्ये किंवा थर्ड टाईप मध्ये असेल, फर्स्ट टाईप मध्ये डायरेक्ट डिफरन्शिएट करता येतो आणि थर्ड टाईप मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूशन करायला लागलं. फर्स्ट टाईपला आला तर टॅन इन्व्हर्स ऑफ घेतला तर 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस याचा स्क्वेअर इंटू याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हे खूप कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होईल. मग हे कुठल्या फॉर्म्युलेच्या फॉर्म मध्ये बसतात का बघा. तिथे 1 मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर आहे, म्हणजे एक्स इज इक्वल टू साइन थिटा किंवा कॉस थिटा दोन्ही पण चालू शकतात. हा सांगतो 2x स्क्वेअर मायनस 1 सेक इन्व्हर्स आहे, याचा अर्थ हा काय होतो बघा. इट मे बी रिटन एज कॉस इन्व्हर्स कॅन बी टेकन इनटू न्यूमरेटर 2x स्क्वेअर मायनस 1. कारण ही प्रॉपर्टी आपण बघितली होती. सेक इन्व्हर्सचा कॉस इन्व्हर्स होतो, कोसेक इन्व्हर्सचा साइन इन्व्हर्स होतो, कॉट इन्व्हर्सचा टॅन इन्व्हर्स होतो. आतल्या टर्मची फक्त रेसिप्रोकल लिहावी लागते. त्यामुळे हा 2x स्क्वेअर मायनस 1 एक्स इज इक्वल टू साइन थिटा सबस्टिट्यूट केला तर फॉर्म्युला नाही, पण कॉस थिटा सबस्टिट्यूट केला तर 2 कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा मायनस 1 कॉस 2 थिटाचा फॉर्म्युला आहे. त्यामुळे आपण काय करूया, इथे सबस्टिट्यूशन करूया. पुट एक्स इज इक्वल टू कॉस थिटा. ओके, आय विल कॉल दिस इज थीटा. And so use these values here. U is equal to tan inverse cos theta divided by root of 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to tan inverse cos theta divided by root of 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, which is equal to tan inverse cos theta upon sin theta, which is equal to tan inverse of cot theta. Okay, then u is equal to tan inverse cot theta. बाहेर tan inverse आहे, त्यामुळे cot हा tan मध्ये कन्वर्ट करा using which formula? Tan of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Allied angle formula from 11th standard. So it is equal to tan inverse and tan gets cancelled as inverse operations are there. We get pi by 2 minus theta. I will call this as number 4. Now u ala. And v is equal to v ka hoga. This is cos inverse 2 into x square. X we have taken cos. Ala cos square theta minus 1. So this is cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos of 2 theta. And so we are getting it as cos inverse cos cancel each other. It is 2 theta. I'll call this as 5. Thus, equations 1 and 2 reduces to the first value. U becomes pi by 2 minus theta. And v becomes 2 theta. This is 4 and 5, which are parametric functions. In parameter theta. Okay, so we have du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by, not dx, it is d theta, because parameter is theta there instead of x. So I will consider this as number 6. Use 4 and 5 in 6 using 4 and 5 in 6. We get. So du by dv is equal to, now d by d theta of, see what is u? You have obtained pi by 2 minus theta, and d by d theta of v. V we have obtained 2 theta. So differentiate it, you will get rate of pi by 2 is 0 minus rate of theta with respect to theta is 1. Divided by 2 is constant multiple, can be taken outside the derivative. D theta of theta is 1. So du by dv is equal to minus half. So derivative of tan inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square with respect to sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1 is minus half. So that's it for this example. Now we'll go for the next example. Differentiate 3 raised to x with respect to log of 3 to the base x. So let's call the first function u as 3 raised to x. This is first. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला माहिती आहे, a raised to x फॉर्म मध्ये आपण डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला मिळवू शकतो. v is equal to log of 3 to the base x. याचा मात्र डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहिती नाही, त्यामुळे हा थोडा आपण सिम्प्लिफाय करून घेऊयात. तर लॉगची प्रॉपर्टी जी आहे, log of 3 to the base x is equal to, or log of a to the base b, we can use that formula. मला बेस चेंज करायचं आहे, तर हा तो log of a to the base c into log of c to the base b. आपला इथं बेस आहे x आणि x बेस मधला असलेला कुठलाही फॉर्म्युला नाही. आपल्याला log of x to the base e log हा आपल्याकडे फॉर्म्युला आहे, तो वापरायचा आहे. म्हणून x लॉगच्या आत पाहिजे, बेस नकोय. आणि इथं काय होतं, बेस परत पुढे ट्रान्सफर होतो. याच्याऐवजी दुसरा जो फॉर्म्युला याचाच आहे की फर्स्ट इज log of a to the base c and we can take its reciprocal. याचा reciprocal फॉर्म मध्ये हा लिहू शकतो log of, only we have to interchange b and c, बेस आणि इंडेक्स आपल्याला इंटरचेंज करायला लागतील. And so now we can make use of this relation. आता हाच कसा आहे, which is equal to, हेच आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 2 रिमूव्ह करतो. This is log of 3 to the base e divided by log of x to the base e. न्यू बेस घेतला e. या हाच फंक्शन थोडासा वेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये मी लिहितोय, log of 3 to the base e into log of x to the base e raised to minus 1. I will call this a second form. Which are parametric functions? In parameter x, theta shall be the parameter x. We have, so write the formula, du by dv is equal to, this is du by dx divided by dv by dx. I will call this as 3. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. Du by dx साठी calculate करा. So du by dx is equal to, a raised to x चा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहिती आहे. A raised to x, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. So this will be 3 raised to x into log of 3. So du by dx मिळाला, dv by dx साठी जायचं आहे. Differentiate 2 with respect to x. So dv by dx is equal to, or d by dx of, तो सगळा फंक्शन मी लिहून घेतो. दिस इज फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट इज log of 3 to the base e into second bracket is log of x to the base e bracket raised to minus 1. ओके, आता इथं काय बघा, हा टोटल कॉन्स्टंट आहे log of 3 to the base e. So this constant can be taken outside, log of 3 to the base e into d by dx of log of x to the base e bracket raised to minus 1. आणि हा कंपोजिट फॉर्म मध्ये x raised to minus 1 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येतो -1 into x raised to minus 2. x raised to n च्या फॉर्म्युलाने x raised to n is derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So if we are finding the derivative of x raised to minus 1, it will be minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 2. पण इथं x च्या ऐवजी वेगळं येते, कंपोजिटचा फॉर्म्युला वापरायला लागेल, चेन रूल वापरायला लागेल. सो यूज दॅट. नाउ वी गेट इट एज log of 3 to the base e into this is minus 1 into this bracket raised to minus 2 into derivative of this bracket. And what is the bracket? Log of x to the base e. And here it is again log of x to the base e by chain rule. So this is equal to minus minus log of 3 to the base e, not this e raised to 3, log of 3 to the base e into 1 upon denominator log of x to the base e raised to 2 into its derivative is 1 upon x. आणि हा आला तुमचा dv by dx. Call this as next equation 5. So in equation 4 gives du by dx, equation 5 gives dv by dx. Use 4 and 5 in 3. Using 4 and 5 in 3. We get. So see what we get. Du by dx, du by dv is equal to du by dx is 3 raised to x into log of 3 is divided by minus log of 3 to the base e again into 1 upon, I'll write this term first, x into log of x to the base e na ila 3 salto raised to 2. Now log 3 gets cancelled with log 3, and final answer we are getting is this minus sign, minus 3 raised to x into the denominator of denominator can be transferred into numerator. So this is x into log of x to the base e bracket square, and this is the answer du by. Okay, next example. Differentiate x raised to x with respect to x raised to sin x. Let call the first function as u, it is x raised to x. Second function as v is equal to x raised to sin x. And both are in a variable raised to variable form. Kudla form is now logarithmic differentiation. Yes. So which are the parametric functions? In x, u है x का function है, v x का function है, we write the formula first. Du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. I'll call this as 3. Okay. आता हे इथं वापरले तर तुम्हाला परत कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स होईल, त्यामुळे सेपरेट du by dx कॅल्क्युलेट करा, सेपरेट dv by dx कॅल्क्युलेट करा. विल गो फॉर द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस. पण याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह डायरेक्टली येत नाही, व्हेरिएबल रेस्ट टू व्हेरिएबल फॉर्म मध्ये. प्रोसिजर काय आहे? टेकिंग log on both sides. Yes, taking log on both sides. If you have any doubt with the solution, इथून पुढे जे आहे समजलं नाही, go for the videos for derivative of logarithmic functions or logarithmic differentiation method. So taking log on both sides, we get log of u is equal to log of x raised to x. Now this can be written as log property प्रमाणे high x into log x. So we are getting log u is equal to x into log x and differentiate this. So we get 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to, yes, I did it. First term as it is into derivative of second, product rule आकार घेतला झालेला u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u log x second term as it is into derivative of first. And so transfer this u on another side, we get du by dx is equal to u into bracket x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log of x into derivative of x is 1. Now x cancel out, u thoda resubstitute kara. So we are getting du by dx is equal to u is x raised to x. u आहे तो x raised to x into inside the bracket 1 plus log of x. Call this is number 4. du by dx मिळाला. Similarly, we have to find dv by dx. b सुद्धा variable raised to variable form मध्ये तिथं पण हीच प्रोसिजर. Taking log on both sides. Of 2. We get log of v is equal to log of x raised to sin x, which is equal to log of m raised to n. चा formula is sin x can be taken outside. It is sin x into log x. And now differentiate this. So log v derivative composite form मध्ये it is 1 upon v into dv by dx is equal to इथे परत product first term as is sin x into derivative of second plus second term as it is into derivative of first, that is transfer v on another side, multiply by v on both sides. This case cancel here, v into bracket sin x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is into derivative of sin x is cos x. And so final answer dv by dx is which value resubstitute kara, v is x raised to sin x. X raised to sin x into bracket sin x divided by x plus log x into cos x. Call this is 5. Okay, so use 4 and 5 in 3. So du by dv is equal to now du by dx is x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x and is divided by dv by dx is x raised to sin x into sin x upon x plus log x into cos x. डिस्क्रिप्टिव्हला बोर्डाला विचारलं इथपर्यंत थांबा, काही पुढे करायची गरज नाहीये. फुल मार्क्स तुम्हाला मिळून जातील. इफ यू आर आस्क्ड फॉर एमसीक्यू हे करेक्ट आन्सर असू शकतं किंवा हे दोघे इंडायसेस एकत्र घेऊन न्यूमरेटर मध्ये एक्स रेस टू एक्स मायनस साइन एक्स येऊ शकतं. त्याच्याबरोबर अजून एक गोष्ट होऊ शकते, क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय इथं डिनॉमिनेटर करून हा एक्स तोही न्यूमरेटर मध्ये जाऊ शकतो. त्यामुळे न्यूमरेटर होईल एक्स रेस टू एक्स मायनस साइन एक्स प्लस 1 into bracket 1 plus log x divided by sin x plus x into log x into cos x. तीन वेगवेगळे आन्सर्स येऊ शकतात. याच्याशिवाय काही ऍडजस्टमेंट्स अजून करता येतात. हा जो x इथं मल्टिपल असतो x रेस टू x बऱ्याचशा गोष्टीची ऍडजस्टमेंट त्या सगळ्या करून बघा त्याच्यामध्ये काय काय येतं. ओके, सो दॅट्स इट फॉर द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑन derivative of parametric function from exercise 1.4. This is the last type, differentiate function with respect to function. Okay, so we'll stop here only. Thank you.